Whether you stream content on the new ONN 4K Pro, or the ONN 4K Plus, or even the ONN 4K Stick, this is the only downloader code you'll need to access the best apps in one place. Hey guys, it's Black Joseph from ONTVHacks.com, and today I've got something special for you. In this video, I'll show you how to get all the latest and updated apps on your ONN streaming devices using the one and only best downloader code. I'll be using the ONN 4K Pro for this tutorial, but the process remains the same across all ONN TV devices and Android streaming devices as well. So, assuming you already have the downloader app installed on your device and you've enabled developer options on your ONN device's settings, then you're ready to go. This is the basic jailbreak setup needed before installing third-party apps. Just open Downloader, click on this hashtag icon, and type this code, 8533602. This code will redirect you to my website ONTV Hacks downloader page where I've organized all the essential Android apps into categories like live TV, sports, IPTV players, kids shows, and VPNs. So if you want to install an app placed in the IPTV category, then you can click on this tab and just scroll down to the required app. Everything is updated regularly so you can always access the latest working versions. For this tutorial, I'll be installing one of the official apps just to show you how the downloading process works step by step. Just select any app that you want to install and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed in our downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if not, you'll be asked to press on the download icon for the installation to start. Now you can click install and complete the process. Before installing any of these apps, make sure you use a VPN that helps you protect your streaming activity and helps you unblock geo-restricted services. Surfshark is currently one of the cheapest and most reliable options out there. You can use the link in the description below to grab an exclusive discount of up to 87% off on its 2-year plan, plus an additional 3 months free along with it. After installation, you'll be prompted to delete the APK files that have been stored on the device. If you press the home button on your remote, you'll find your recently installed application in the apps menu. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before you go, make sure to visit my website ONTVHacks.com for more in-depth guide, expert reviews, and the latest updates on streaming and ONN TV devices. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll be back with another informative video very soon.